Divinely knowledge is coming through our hearts. Hearts, they are not getting to be tired or getting to lose anything from that knowledge. Because man representing the Lord, therefore he has been given miraculous spiritual structure, and the spiritual powers, they carry whole knowledge coming through heavens for divinely essence, but your mind cannot carry. Hearts that belong to our souls can carry. That knowledge through that book going to be such a fantasy. People may say, I have such a knowledge. It makes people proud. We are asking some knowledge to make ourselves humble. Because proud people coming down, humble people coming down. Proud people going far away from divinely present. Humble people invited to divinely present. The Satan was proud with his knowledge, and he has thrown away from divinely present. And Adam was humble, and he has been invited to divinely present. Therefore, now we are asking knowledge belonging to our hearts, so that that power makes a way to reach to divine invitation. Therefore, as much as it is going to increase, yet our souls asking more and going to be more joyful as a ship. Oceans may be more deep, may be more wider, ship is heavy, and our souls swimming through that huge divine knowledge ocean, and on every step through that endless divine knowledge oceans, getting more pleasure and enjoyment, and endless taste and endless glory. Therefore, now we are lucky people that we reached to a time that we have a chance for reaching to endless knowledge ocean through our souls. Your mind in limits, your heart's unlimited. This may be a full house, but heart's never getting to be full house. Therefore, mankind, yet they are unknown territory. No one knows except knowing about themselves. You must imagine that divinely knowing person runs through the heart of mankind and asking more. There's no room, no more divine source running through your heart. Therefore, my daughters and sons, you must prepare yourself so that you may cut out that hindrance through your physical body and spiritual body. That is a hindrance. Till you are taking away that hindrance, you are not getting in touch with your original sources from divinely knowledge ocean. There is a clay pot that you are putting water in. You are putting water in it. Yes? And throwing that lake. That water from that lake. And that pot, this water has been freed for that one. But this pot prevents you are breaking that this little water going to be a lake or going to be an ocean. Therefore, mainly hindrance is our ego that surrounding ourselves and everywhere coming and presenting himself, never leaving your soul to present himself, but quickly coming saying that I am that one. There is a saying from he wants to be selling something that donkey kurşudunun eşeğiymiş o.
The man who sells.
Because putting one foot this side, one foot this side, and writing on it and coming to say something before one of the Christians opening his mouth, that one to begin to shout,
To brag.
to brag. Everywhere else, before this was the way. No, Mullah Nasruddin was walking back. The donkey accustomed to brag every corner turning. Before Nasruddin had saying that I am bringing something to people, like potato, tomato. Before he beginning to announce, donkey was announcing that I am here.
I am here, yes.
And our egos also quickly coming and saying, I am that Yahweh. I am soul. I am that person that I am representing the Lord Almighty Allah. Never leaving us to say, coming forward. I am that one. You are a horse rider, and you have been invited to divine the presence and whole knowledge oceans that running from that hidden treasure. Almighty Allah, giving for his servants who making them his representatives and whole trainings through east and west, through every method of training and exercising. What is the main purpose? Only to break that clay, to break it so that we may get in touch with ocean. That is the thing that Sheikh Abdul Samad sending me a booklet about unity. Yes? And everything running into unity. She feels by herself to run in unity with him. And he feels to get into unity with her. And more than this is our physical body's desire, that also signing that in ourselves, our feelings running always to unity. Because both kinds, male and female, the Lord just created to us unity. And the second one to make unity with the first one. They are not feeling by themselves with unity. And everything asking to run in unity. And our physical structure that Allah Almighty just created them as male and female for signing that everyone asking to join a unity. And your soul and your soul. For soul, male or female, doesn't matter. But souls also, they are running into unity oceans for the creation. And that attraction, that making people to run after something, maybe they can't describe it, that feeling through themselves. Look, what is this circle to be like this? We may explain. I don't think. But it's so asking. What is to view the ocean? You don't open Allah Almighty. And he is practicing, trying to play that play. Just with us a chance. We can do that. We can do that. We never find the here there. We're going to escape the space from the bright. And so very bright, never find such a good one for service here. And whole the story, something we can give now for Ibrahim, for our attendants, for the others. And finally, we must try to get in touch with that ocean, with the unity ocean. Through unity ocean, they are endless unity oceans. Through endless unity oceans, you should find endless light ocean. You should find endless divinely light ocean. You should find endless divinely wisdom ocean. You should find endless divinely knowledge ocean. You should find endless divinely wisdom ocean. In unity, in divinely unity ocean, you should find endless divinely beauty ocean. Whole beauty on earth that from mankind from nature or from every creature that they have been given. It is only in the middle put in an endless ocean. What is it going to take? A little spot. No. From that drop, whole mankind has been given beauty, nature, and other creatures. And you, when you are seeing a beautiful face, trembling. This Ibrahim Shukrapa, not Dr. Ibrahim. What about endless, beautiful ocean? And you should find the divinely unity oceans, divinely endless color ocean. And through divinely unity oceans, you should find endless divinely with ocean. And through divinely unity oceans, you should find endless mercy ocean. And through divinely unity ocean, you should find endless territory, divinely territory ocean. All that millions of galaxies is living in that endless divinely power ocean. And all mankind, you may be enough flowers and happy for being from mankind. You are a little creature through huge universe by your physical body, but you are so great through your real personality. So great, no one can imagine except your creator. What does it mean? Whole sources running through your heart, and you are swimming in endless divine oceans. And they are our grandmaster granting us today on that point that from hidden treasure of Allah Almighty, and it will be knowledge. They are granting us to know ourselves and our Lord Almighty Allah. I think it is enough. Thank you for your attention.